Good afternoon, everybody. This is James Ramelli from Alpha Shark Trading, here to talk to you about how I traded AXP today for earnings. The stock reported earnings right after the bell today, and I wanted to trade it. I've traded AXP in the past. I've had success with it in the past, so I wanted to put a position on ahead of earnings. So here is what I did. AXP had some pretty bearish historical movement, and forgive the typo that I have in here, but the stock had sold off 8 of the past 12 quarters from earnings day to expiry with an average move of 3.26%. Now, that's a very bearish statistic, right? Now, with the stock trading around 76.75, a $2.30 move being implied by the options market implied 3% move potential by Friday close in AXP. So I calculated a downside target of 74.45. Now, the chart of the stock on the daily bar today was just above the cloud, but it had a relatively neutral chart rank. One of our indicators that we use, Alpha Tracker, showed that big money was very short AXP. So this was a neutral to bullish chart setup, and I knew that I wanted to get short. So this is the trade that I landed on. I bought, and I actually ended up paying 28 cents for these. The AXP weekly 75 half, 74 half put spreads for earnings. Why did I do that? Well, because I had a neutral chart, very bearish historical movement, and I saw that big money was very, very short AXP going into earnings. All of those are points to the bearish side here in AXP. So I put this trade on for 28 cents, risking 28 cents or $28 per one lot to make $72 per one lot. And I actually had to raise my bid into the close, which is why I got filled at a higher price. But I got filled in this trade, and what happened in AXP? They had pretty terrible earnings. And take a look here. The stock is on the lows as we speak, 73.57, a full dollar past my short strike. So what does that mean for me? Well, that means that if we are still trading at this level below 74.5 on Friday, that I will nearly have quadrupled my money in AXP in this one trade. And this is exactly why I love to trade earnings. This is exactly why I use spreads. It's to get this type of massive risk versus reward setup in AXP and in other stocks that have earnings as well. So thank you guys very much. Everyone have a fantastic evening. And as always, happy trading.